meant for minorities in the Prime Minister's 15-point program has also been diverted. Diverted, sir. And as the Honorable Chief Minister never called a meeting, the same way for the 15-point program of Prime Minister, Honorable Chief Minister in his 2 years of tenure has never called for a meeting in this regard.
This bill is different. I request the Honorable Member to concentrate on this bill. We will surely discuss our minority welfare, and I will surely put forward what this government has done for minorities. We have done better than any government, any previous government. Whether you are supporting them or not, it does not make a difference. Congress is committed towards the minorities.
Honorable Speaker, sir.
Yes.
Reacting on Honorable Chief Minister's very emotional and angry temper, गुस्से में जो जवाब दिए, उसके ऊपर बोलूंगा, हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं आपके जवाब का। और ये न भूलें कि 14 बरस में जितना भी कांग्रेस ने काम किया है, मजलिस के साथ मिलकर किया है, आपने तनहा नहीं किया। अगर हम नहीं होते तो वह काम भी नहीं कर सकते थे। हमारे बोलने पे किया। अब देखेंगे आप क्या करेंगे। देखना यह है कि अब आप क्या करेंगे हमारा साथ छूटने के बाद, वो देखेगी आंध्र प्रदेश। नो सर, आई एम नॉट यील्डिंग सर, आई एम नॉट यील्डिंग।
I am not angry or I am not emotional. But once you should realize, no, this is the highest seats you have got till today, 7 seats. That is because of Congress party. Don't forget, both parties together. That is why you have won 7 seats. Earlier on you were only 2 seats. Today you are 7 seats in this house. Thanks to the Congress party also. It is not a one-sided affair. It is not a one-sided benefit we have taken. It is, you also benefited from this. You have got the highest number of members in the house today. So don't try to say only we have benefited and you have not benefited. And true welfare of the minorities is the commitment of Congress party throughout the country and here also. So we do not require any certificate that we are secular or not from anyone. Our party is an open book. We are an open book. We require certificate from the people of the state, and the people of the state and country recognize us as a secular and pro-minority government.
Yes. Also tell you, Congress is in power in Rajasthan, in Maharashtra, in Delhi. Why reservation has not been given there? Why did the Congress not give 4% or 5% or 7% reservation in Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Delhi, Assam? It is MIM, that is why Andhra Pradesh the Muslims got reservation. It was we who got the reservation. ये चीफ मिनिस्टर, ये किरण कुमार रेड्डी अगर ये समझ रहे हैं कि आपके ऐसा गुस्सा होने से, ऐसा चीखने से हम डरेंगे घबराएंगे तो नहीं, हम डरने घबराने वाले नहीं हैं। मंदिर बनाने वाले चीफ मिनिस्टर, हम तुम्हारे जैसे चीफ मिनिस्टर बहुत देखे, आया गया राम गए, बहुत गए और आए गए। And monitoring.
Yes. Sir, 1 minute, sir. Yes, Honorable. 1 minute, Speaker, sir. Yes. See, he has passed certain comments which should not be here. Please remove it from the records, or I have to set the record right. Whenever the subject on the temple and issue comes, we will discuss in this house what orders I have implemented, why I had to do it, why we have done it. See. Yes. You don't take law and order into your hands. Don't try to take law and order into your hands. This state. Yes. This state. I don't have to do. See, I am neither angry or I have to use the police. But it is my duty to see that there is law and order in this state. And I cannot allow innocent people to suffer because of someone's political gains. This subject I will surely discuss when the time comes. Please list it out. Whenever it is there, we will discuss it. What the stance of the government, why we had to take it, and why they are trying to create a law and order problem in the whole city. We will surely discuss it. I am not shying away from the issue. I am very clear in what I want to do. What were the court orders? Don't try to misinterpret what was implemented by the government. My request is, no. You have made very personal remarks. That is the reason. So please remove it from the records or you take it up.
Yes. Listen to me. Ek minute. Mr. Owaisi, listen to me. The appeal made by the leader of the House was that let us all focus on this subject and let us do justice to the SC and ST sub-plan that we are talking about. So we will come back. Yeah. So let's not get diverted. Kuchan. Yes. Let us not get diverted. No personal remarks will be allowed. Yes. Kuchandi. No personal remarks will go on record. Yes. They will not go on record. Yes. Kuchandi miru. No. I am not allowing Mr. Damodar. Nagendra Garu, I am not allowing. Please sit down. Yes. Let us move on the bill. Kuchandi. Let us move on the bill. Yes. Please. I request the members to cooperate. Please let us go on the bill. Yes.
Sir, before I continue with my subject, sir, only one reaction I would like to make to Honorable Chief Minister, saying that
we'll come back on that.
He has assured not only you this August House, and we are 7. Sir,
He has assured not only you this August House,
I'll just
that he will take up the debate.
साहब हम 2 से 7 हो गए होंगे साहब, हम 2 से 7 हुए, लेकिन आप बताइए क्या तेलंगाना में से एक भी मुसलमान को आप जिता सके? आप जिता सके? नहीं जिताए। और आप लिख लेना, अभी भी जो हम साथ थे, I want to correct the record. It is not the alliance that made us win 7 seats. इलेक्शन से पहले हमारा कोई मफाहमत थी आपके साथ? आप तेलंगाना के साथ इलेक्शन लड़े, राष्ट्र समिति के साथ, दूसरे पार्टीज के साथ लगे. Did you had any pre-poll alliance with MIM? Please clarify on that.
Yes.
PCC president is here. Did you have any pre-poll alliance? No. It was only post-poll alliance. As we have a post-poll alliance with the UPA. कौन से इलेक्शन करे? हम हमारे बलबूते पे जीत के आए हैं. अब साथ है, इंशाल्लाह आइंदा 15 आएंगे और कांग्रेस के 20 भी नहीं आ सकते, ये मैं कह रहा हूं. गुमनामी हो जाएगी जमातियां.
Let us go back on the subject.
हम अपने बलबूते पे आए हैं, मुसलमानों के उस पे आए हैं.
Yes.
So already numerous backward classes organizations are demanding that the state government to introduce backward sub plan on the lines of SC and TSP. I understand the BC welfare.
Kuchan, 5 minutes.
Minister has submitted a proposal in this regard,
I'll give you.
and we also demand
I'll give you. Please
that a minority sub plan on the same lines of the SC, CP and STP plan to remain. The reports of AP Commission on Minority Social Welfare Economic Condition of Muslims
I will give you
of 2004.
I will give you an
AP Back Commission of Backward State of Muslim 2005. AP Back Commission Economic
Yes.
among minority 2007 have pointed out the pathetic social economic conditions of minorities, sir. Similarly, sir, the high power panel of minority SC, ST and weaker section knows as Gopal Singh panel 1983 BC Commission and also PM's High Level Committee on Social Economic Education State of Muslim Communities Sattar Committee and National Commission of Religious Linguistic Minority Ranganath Misra Commission have come out with alarming findings, and it has been mentioned in that the Muslims are backward than the SCs and STs also. So we need a sub-plan like this, sir. Thus, it is an accepted fact also that the Muslims are more backward than the SCs and STs in social economic